You're here because you want your meta ads to work, not just get clicks, but actually drive results like leads, sales, booked appointments, conversions, right? Let's be real. Creating those kinds of ads can feel impossible. You've got ad copy to write, you got audiences to target, and budgets to manage, and you got your whole funnel and back end to process, right? So now imagine this. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas, refining your copy, or struggling to nail your targeting, you type a few sentences into ChatGPT and shebang, your ad campaign is ready to roll. Yeah, sounds good to be true, right? Well, not anymore. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this AI tool takes the hard work out of creating meta ads that actually work, and today, I'll prove it. Here's how to craft the perfect prompts to get ChatGPT to handle everything for you. So first things first, why should you care about using ChatGPT for your Facebook ads? Well, for one, it's fast. We're talking about creating an entire campaign in under 60 seconds. Second, it's very cost effective. Hiring an agency or a copywriter can burn a hole in your pocket. Doing it yourself, that might end up costing you in wasted ad spend if you don't know what you're doing. Believe it or not, ChatGPT will eliminate those risks by giving you a starting point that's backed by logic and precision. And third, it's ridiculously versatile, as some might say. You can customize everything, tone, style, audience details, just by tweaking your prompts. Here's an example using one of our clients. This specific client is a company dedicated to helping fund managers, investors, and entrepreneurs successfully build, launch, and scale their funds. Let me show you how ChatGPT can craft a winning campaign for them in minutes, if not seconds. Start with a clear prompt like this. Create a table named campaign with specific column headers. In this case, the table includes essential details such as the client name, the target audience, and the budget. You can also specify other campaign parameters like the networks you're using, like Facebook, the language, for most English, and your bid strategy type, lowest cost, start and end dates, and so on. Next, you'd want it to generate a second table named audience with horizontal column headers. This step involves defining 5 different audience groups based on interests and behaviors. Now it's time to create a third table named ads. The target here is the ad headlines and descriptions tailored to the campaign. The headline is limited to 25 characters, concise and impactful. The primary ad description consists of up to 90 characters before the see more button, right? So using Cialdini's principles to increase engagement is the way to go. You can also ask ChatGPT to incorporate variations such as testing the principle of authority in one description and the principle of urgency in another to see which resonates most with your audience. Finally, the table specifies the ad type as a Facebook single image conversion ad. You can provide the URL of the landing page to integrate it with the ad copy. And with a click, the campaign is dialed in for fund managers ready to scale. With a 10K budget, it's all about making those purchase conversions count on Facebook. The strategy is simple. Lowest cost bids and high impact results. Now for the audience, we've got groups like scaling fund enthusiasts and financial scaling experts. Because after all, these are the fund managers, investors with their eye on bigger and better returns. The ads straight to the point, but packed with a punch. Headlines like scale smartly and confident growth grab attention, while descriptions seal the deal. For example, boost your fund with proven scaling strategies. Plays to ambition, while get expert advice to outgrow the competition adds authority. Every ad speaks directly to a different audience group, ensuring relevance and engagement. This setup streamlines the ad creation process and provides a solid foundation for this client's Facebook campaign. Insights and optimization. No doubt ChatGPT is a fantastic tool to get your Facebook ad campaigns up and running, but it's pretty much like cooking if you ask me. I'm a terrible cook, but anyways.
Are you sure about that?
ChatGPT gives you the recipe and ingredients, but you've still got to taste, adjust, and perfect the dish to make it exceptional. First things first, keep an eye on your campaign performance like a hawk. You can't just hit publish and hope for the best. Metrics like return on ad spend, otherwise known as ROAS, click-through rates, otherwise known as CTR, and conversion rates are your report card. They tell you what's working and what's falling flat. For instance, if you notice your CTR is low, maybe your ad copy isn't grabbing enough attention, or your audience just isn't vibing with what you're offering. That's your cue to make changes. Sure, ChatGPT can spit out a bunch of ad variations, but the real question is, which one will resonate with your audience? The only way to find out is to test. Run different versions of the ads. Maybe one highlights the emotional appeal of your product or service, while another focuses on a time-limited offer. Also, make sure to test swapping out images or testing different video formats. And let's not forget your audience. Targeting isn't a one-and-done deal. Your initial audience segments are just a starting point. Once your ads start running, you'll get valuable data about who's clicking, who's converting, and more importantly, who's ignoring you. Use this data to refine your targeting. Maybe you'll discover a new audience segment you hadn't considered, or maybe a specific demographic is responding better than others. For example, if your campaign is for a financial services company like my client, You might find that younger entrepreneurs are more engaged than older investors. Boom, you've just unlocked a whole new market segment to explore, right? You can have those two markets. Got your own tips to share? Drop them in the comments. I read every comment and I respond to every comment. We'd love to hear them. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more actionable marketing insights.